Hey, hi friends, welcome to my channel. So friends, today in this video we are watching the beautiful WPC wall panel designs. There you can see there are the beautiful designs are available in this video. Nowadays WPC wall panels are a common interior decorative materials. You may have seen this decorative material which is widely used in homes, office or even in the commercial buildings. So if you have recently been purchased a new house, so you may be wondering how to decorate the walls, but these WPC wall panels are one of the most best option for your wall decorations because it has some several benefits and we're going to discuss in this video. So friends, if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to this channel. So first let me understand what are the WPC wall panels. Like WPC full form is a wood plastic composite and it called WPC in a short. It is a new product made from a blend of two different materials. WPC materials are usually made from a mixture of plastic and wood fibers. This gives this decorative product both strength and the appearance of wood. Traditional wood is a common interior decorating material that provides a nature-like design experience. However, wood wall panels are prone to rotting and early breakage, which requires you to perform regular maintenance work on them. But in contrast, WPC wall panels are weather and dirt resistant, making them less expensive to maintain than regularly wall wood panels. Since this material is made using a mixture of plastic and wood fiber, it possesses the properties of both materials. The properties of plastic give WPC wall panels waterproof, mold and fade resistant. So while the wood fiber give it a natural look. As a result, these panels have many advantages that make them the material of choice for your house because it is low maintenance. Low maintenance is one of the biggest reasons why people are willing to buy and use WPC products. WPC wall panels do not require as much maintenance as standwood wall panels. This is because they have excellent resistance to water, stains and fading, and you only need use soapy water to clean the WPC panels. Another benefit is of the longer service life. These panels are much stronger and more durable and they will not root and chip over time. This decorative wall panels is so strong that it can withstand hard knocks, dents and even the scratches. Properly installed panels products typically last up to 25 years. In contrast, traditional wall panels may only last about the 15 years. Another benefit is the aesthetic. WPC wall panel comes in a variety of colors, shapes and patterns, so you can choose the style that best suit your room. A well-designed wall panel can add a high colorful style to your wall. You can freely combine the wall panels according to your ideas. In addition, WPC wall panels look and feel like real wood. That's why most of us have a hard time distinguishing them from each other. Another benefit, it improves your insulation performance. Excellent insulating properties are one of the main reasons why many people choose wood wall panels. Wood is a natural insulator that effectively prevents heat from escaping and blocks cold from entering the house. WPC material is made from a blend of recyclable plastic and wood fibers. Due to the nature of the materials, it has better insulating properties than wood wall panels, so it can be a great use in a daily life. Keep your interior space cool in the hot season and the warm in the cold weather, and you will feel it is a wise idea to invest in a WPC wall panel. And most important part is it is water and the moisture resistant. WPC wall panels also the best way to prevent water from causing damage to your walls. This material with excellent waterproofing properties is the best decorative material for kitchens. This WPC panels, you not only get an aesthetically pleasing room, but you also do not have to worry about regular maintenance. So friends, there you can see there are the beautiful WPC wall panel designs. It have some several advantages. So friends, if you are planning to decorate your walls or your house interior, then these panels will be the great choice for your house decoration. And if you want more details, you can ask me in the comment section, or you can contact through my mail ID which I mentioned in the description. So friends, please subscribe this channel, because here you will get the beautiful and latest and modern interior tips and ideas for your house. And if you like my videos, then please like and share this video and keep supporting us. Thanks for watching. Thank you.